Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. It's free and it'll really help out my channel a lot. Here's a sneak peek of what we're going to be making today. We're going to be making some Morning Glory inspired resin coasters. And I'm going to be trying out a new resin. I'm going to be trying out iCoat Art Resin. They sent me some resin and pigments to try. These are all of their different tints that they have. They have a ton of different colors available, and this is some of their sparkle white mica powder. You can add this mica to these tints and make them a pearl mica powder, which is really cool. Their resin's a 1-to-1 ratio. I was warming up my part A inside a cup, inside a little crock pot I had bought. I wanted to try warming up my resin this way. I'm still on the fence. I need to do some more testing on that, but this is a thicker resin, so you do want to warm it up to about 75-80 degrees before you use it. So I went ahead and mixed up my resin. I am adding just about a little under an ounce to each of my cups here. You don't need much at all for this technique. In this cup, I wanted to show you guys how pretty the pearl blue turned out. I added 3 drops of the arc blue and a scoop of the pearl white mica powder, and I got a really gorgeous pearlescent blue color. Here are my molds. I'm just going in with clear, filling them up almost all the way to the rim, and I hit it with my heat gun on low to pop bubbles. And I had some clear resin left over, so I mixed in some iridescent glitter and filled up this brown mold that you're seeing above the projects I'm working on. We're going to demold that one here at the end too. So here I'm going in with some sparkle diamonds from Laura's Art Corner. I'm going to be using those for the center of my flowers. I'm using paper cups because you can pinch your cup and get a really nice controlled line when you pour. So I went in with the arc blue. That one was just regular. That one didn't have the pearl white in it. And now I'm going in with the pearl white and one more ring of the arc blue. And that's it. I'm going to hit it with my heat gun on low to pop bubbles. This technique is so easy, you guys. Please, I hope you give it a try and let me know how it turns out for you. One thing I'm going to do is go in. I went in about 40 minutes after I poured this with the end of a paintbrush, and I'm making my flower petals. So when I do this, I think about the face of a clock. So I do 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and split the difference in between those petals. And that was it. I hit it with my heat gun again on low, covered them up, let them dry for 24 hours, and you want to wait about an hour to go in and do your petals. I was trying on these ones around the 40-minute mark, and they turned out really pretty, but if you wait an hour, your petal lines will be more defined. And this is the coaster that I had a little bit of extra clear left over and filled up. I wanted to demold that on camera, and with that pearl blue, I made these pretty pendants. I thought they turned out so nice. So I just filled up this little pendant mold with that pearl blue that we had mixed with the pearl white and the arc blue pigment. Well, it's like a tint. I added 3 drops and then a little scoop of the pearl white, and it turned out really pretty. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments, and here's how the coasters turned out. I think they turned out really nice. I just love how deep that arc blue is. I hope you guys give this technique a try. It's so super simple and easy, and the flowers turn out beautiful every time I've given this a try. And when you try this, try to use products that are a different density. Like on this set, the pearl white mica powder, it's hard to tell, but the white looks like it's sitting on top of that arc blue, and it just gives you some really cool depth and dimension because of the different densities of the 2 products. So definitely try that out when you guys try this. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, leave me a like, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will link all of iCoat's information down below in the description box if you want to check out any of the products I used in today's video. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys soon for another video. Bye!